Hi, it's Greg, and today let's talk about lead magnets. What they are used for, how to implement them on your HubSpot portal, and why you should implement them as soon as possible in your marketing strategy. So first of all, what is a lead magnet? A lead magnet is a valuable content that you will offer to your visitors, again, their contact information. Getting those information will allow you to make this visitor go from a simple visitor to a lead, and that will be the first step of their buyer journey. So basically, it's really hard to get a lot of visits in your website, especially at the beginning of your activity. So every single visitor that doesn't have the possibility to convert into a lead is kind of a wasted visitor. That's why it's really important to have those lead magnets the earliest stage possible in your business. When it comes to create a lead magnet, you will have a lot of different possibilities. It can go from an ebook, a webinar, a free trial, a demo request, or all these different solutions. The most important thing is to bring the most value you can to your persona and to the pain points he's trying to solve. For instance, in my business, I created the workflow box that is a private page hosted on Notion that will recap all the different workflows I presented on this channel. And for each workflow, you will find a specific detailed blog post, a video that explains how to do it, and a detailed to-do list action plan that will help you adapt this workflow to your portal. If you're interested in it, of course, it's on the description below. It's totally free. You just need to fill a short form. Now that we made clear about what is a lead magnet, let's see how to implement it on HubSpot. To do so, you will have 3 different steps. The first step is create a dedicated form. The second one is to create a landing page. And the third one is to create a mail and an automation to send these emails. So the first step is to create a dedicated form. So why do we want to create a dedicated form is for 2 main reasons. The main reason is because you might have several lead magnets targeting different personas. So imagine you have a lead magnet targeting SMEs and another one targeting freelancers. You might not want to ask the same thing to these both different targets. By making a dedicated form for a specific lead magnet, you will be able to ask the question that is the most relevant for the situation of the lead. The second reason is to simplify how we will send the mail to the lead that just fills the form. It will be way easier to send our lead magnet to a lead by saying, if this lead has fulfilled this dedicated form, then send this specific email. If you plan to have a lot of lead magnets and a lot of campaigns based on those lead magnets, I will recommend you to create a custom property single checkbox named like as download this specific lead magnet. That way you can just implement this property in your form, hide it so your lead will not see it, but every time a lead will request a specific lead magnet, your database will automatically know what lead magnets this specific lead have been interested in. The second step is to create a landing page. Of course, you can put this form into a normal web page or in other contents, but landing pages are conversion optimized pages that are aimed to make people fill forms. So basically it will be kind of a normal web page, but you will take off all distractions. So no more links to your social media, no more header. You will have only 2 different assets for this page, arguments that will push people to want to download your ebook or other lead magnets, and a form that will make them do the action. To do so, just click on the marketing tab, go to website, landing page, and adapt the page as you want. The third and last step is to send the email. So we have a form that we put on a specific page and people now are filling this form, but they need to receive a mail with the lead magnet we promise them. To do so, you just need to create an automated marketing email and insert the link of your lead magnet inside. If your lead magnet is a webinar, a demo request, a talk with a sales, you just need to put the link on it. If it's a document, such as PDF, Excel document, or whatever, you will need to upload this file on your HubSpot library file and use the URL HubSpot has given you. Now that we have our email, we need to automate the sending of it. So basically, every time someone fulfills the form, he receives the email. For that, you have 2 ways to do so. Either you don't have Marketing Hub Pro, so you just need to create at the end of the form, they will ask you if you want to create a form automation, you say yes, and you choose to send the mail we just created together. If you have Marketing Pro, you can be more precise and more detailed, so you will create a workflow. You choose it based on contacts, starting from scratch, and as an enrollment trigger, you will choose as fulfill this specific form. It's really important to activate the rearrangement, because if a lead don't find the link anymore and want to get it back, when he fills the form, he needs to be able to receive the mail again. So you just need to activate the rearrangement and you will be fine. Now that you set up the workflow, just click on the plus to add a step and send the mail that we just designed together. Now your lead magnet system is operational, so you just need to promote it wherever you can using HubSpot features. So don't hesitate to put it as a CTA on your blog post, to put it on the description of your video like I'm doing right now, or create ad campaigns to promote it. Actually, it's a good content to promote as it aims to give value to your visitors and at the same time to generate leads, so it's a win-win situation. And as a bonus, for the ones that want to go a bit deeper, I will talk about nurturing. The good thing about the lead magnet is that you will target a specific pain point of your persona. So basically, a lead that will download this specific lead magnets, you know is interested in solving these specific pain points. Now that you know that, you just need to give him contents that are talking or solving this pain point or this issue and help him go through the buyer journey. To do so, you just need to go back to the workflow we created together and add a new step, wait 2-3 days, and send a new mail pushing this kind of content. So it was how to create a lead magnet and how to implement it on your HubSpot portal. I hope it was clear. If you like it, don't forget to put a thumbs up and to subscribe to this channel to be sure to don't miss any new video. As I said before, I have a lead magnet myself in the description. If you want to automate your portal and get more knowledge about it, just click on the link below and fill the full form and I will join you there. I wish you a good day and see you next week.